Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As I told you last time, I started a series of videos with Lamborghinis. So this is the second video from my Lamborghini series. First time we saw the Lamborghini Gallardo. If you haven't seen the video, please check it in my channel. And now we are ready for the second video. And in this second video I'm gonna show you the Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4. This one is in another one of my favorite colors for Lamborghini. I hope yours too. The Lamborghini Yellow. The model is very nice and is made by WELLY. Now without further ado, let's take it out of the box and check it out. Let me take it off the display so you can see it better. From up front, the Lambo have a very aggressive, awesome look.